What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You guys see the title, you see what's going on, man. But shoot, before I get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. While you guys are here, you might as well drop a like and subscribe, just so you guys know what's cooking. But enough about that, guys. Yeah, y'all see the title. By some miracle, for the first time in about 5 years, I actually got blessed by Virgil, by the sneakers gods, and your boy was given exclusive access for these off-white dunks, the 1 of 50 pack. Yeah. This video, I'm going to be talking about the pair I got themselves, and really how I didn't think I was going to get them. This pair was actually stolen, allegedly. I'm gonna go into I can't even talk, but I'm gonna go into detail about that in this video, so stay tuned. As you guys can see here, I did get lucky number 13. I was hoping for, of course, number 1 or number 50, but it is what it is. I did get number 13. The retail on these ended up coming out to $191. I'll go ahead and put my size up on StockX right now. I actually was able to purchase my size 13. Now, guys, the crazy thing about this is actually my first time copping dunks for retail. So I have no clue if these even fit me yet. I really have to just kind of take the plunge and do it. But sneak peek, guys, let's get ready. Sheesh, there they are. Lot number 13, like I said, lucky number 13. This was my first time in 5 years of having my sneakers account trying to purchase anything through exclusive access. I personally thought it was a myth. I didn't think you could actually purchase them, but sure enough, I did. Yeah, guys, where do I even start? The sneakers themselves, I think, are dope. I've seen some pretty nice colorways. I don't necessarily hate these. I do wish, like I said, I got 1 or even lot number 15 looked pretty good, but it is what it is. I'm very thankful and appreciative I got these anyway, so don't get that twisted. Yeah, I think it's interesting what Virgil did. I mean, it's all about just selling out the product. This is pair 1 of 50. They're all pretty similar if you guys aren't familiar with it. But yeah, let me tell you a little bit about the actual story for these. So I was actually thankful and for some reason blessed enough to actually purchase these last Tuesday, so the day after the exclusive access actually began. And everything was cool. I had like 2-day shipping selected or something like that. Originally they told me my package was going to be in on a Friday, and I had nothing else to worry about from there. They took my money immediately, as they do. And side note, I really fuck with this purple tongue right here. I think it's dope that it's missing that little hole there. Again, guys, if I can actually fit these, I think I'm going to have to keep them, if nothing more than just for the story. But let me go ahead and get back to that. So, I've been tracking like a crackhead every day. Is it shipping? What's going on? And I see there's some movement. Let's say the day after, so I ordered it on a Tuesday, started going out on a Wednesday. That pair ends up making it from Tennessee to Macon, Georgia. And if you're from Georgia, I hope that you run into whoever stole these and, you hit them with that little one too, you know what I'm saying? Because this shit's unacceptable. But long story short, guys, I'm going to try to throw the screenshot up of what I was dealing with, but it was basically a situation where FedEx was saying the package was supposed to be delivered on Saturday, then Sunday, and then it just said that there was no update available, and it kind of made me uncomfortable. When I checked the actual Nike tracking, it went from saying, a concrete day of like Friday and then Saturday and then Sunday to then check back shortly. So I thought that was a little weird. I ended up calling Nike, on Monday just to kind of get an idea, because I didn't expect them to actually be delivered on Sunday, and sure enough, they weren't. When I talked to sneakers support, I talked to FedEx, that's who it was. When I talked to FedEx, she told me that there was an escalation with my package, and that the last scan showed that it was placed on a, tractor or a trailer or whatever at 3 a.m. in Macon, Georgia, by that actual employee, and that the truck itself and the contents did not make it to the distribution center. When I followed up again a couple days later, she told me that law enforcement was cooperating with FedEx and that they would try to get it back to me. If not, I would be issued a refund or something like that. Yeah, so my heart was racing every day. I had basically given up hope, and then just the other day, I came home from work, and sure enough, they were there. So yeah, guys, resale on these isn't that great. I don't know that this is going to be like $1,000 sneaker in the future. I'm stoked to get any pair, period. I think it's cool that they're, lot number 13. And because of that, I feel like I got to keep them, if nothing more, even if I don't care for, how they look. Like, just the story itself, the fact that they were stolen, the fact that they made it back. I'm going to share that this has actually been going on. There's a couple articles and people have been talking about it. So there are some people that have had their packages stolen. And if that did happen to you, let me know in the comments, man. That sucks. I was definitely living that reality for a couple days, thinking mine were going to suffer the same fate. So yeah, guys, this is my little review. I did, I was happy I was able to get the exclusive access for these off-white dunks. Again, I got lucky number lot 13. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like them? Would you cop them? Would you flip them? Would you drip them? Enough about that, guys. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen. Hopefully some more bangers on the way. And as always, guys, stay safe. Peace.